Hey everyone, today we're going to be dining at the Grand Floridian Cafe. I've never actually eaten here before, so pretty excited to try it out. Then we might head over to the Poly, get a Dole Whip, maybe even something at the Contemporary. I don't know yet, but we'll see. Let's go. They still got the 50th anniversary mats. I assume they're going to start changing it to just the Disney 100 mats here in the future, because it is the 100th anniversary for Disney as a company, which is quite awesome if I do say so myself. You got the piano playing going on. Wow. Wow. Never ceases to amaze me just how beautiful this resort is. Whoa! What are you doing here? Jacob?
I'm here to see a place called
Wait.
Disney.
Disney?
Disney.
Disney?
It's a place.
Are you gonna go to the parks with us?
Perhaps.
Perhaps?
About to find out.
Whoa! Alright, here's a Grand Floridian Cafe. Maddie's here. Charlotte's here. So is Mom. And Dad.
And Jacob.
And Jacob. While we're waiting for our reservation to be ready, why not go wash our hands? Got the lavender sheet scrub.
I want this one.
These are still only $5.99, which again, I don't think is too bad. I said it last year and I'll say it again. $5.99, not too bad for a Disney bar soap. I mean, look at that. Like, you're making designs and like, pretty cool. Isn't that grand?
Indeed.
Gonna see if there's any fun souvenirs in here. Last call for the 50th anniversary stuff as well. Get the 50th anniversary Mickey before he's gone. It's gonna be so sad.
Huh?
50th anniversary candle. Probably gonna go on clearance soon even. Here is some of the Disney 100 stuff I was talking about. They probably are gonna start getting a lot of this throughout the parks as they prepare for the 100-year celebration soon. Just kind of walking around, taking in the sights and the smells, but wow, this would be an amazing spot to watch the fireworks. In fact, I think that's what that is. I think it is for a wedding, which is just so cool. We just stumbled into the Gasparilla Island Grill, and Jacob is looking at this ice cream sandwich. I think you should get it. They're pretty delicious.
I should too, honestly.
I think you should get it. That's just my opinion, but
We'll
you know, and then you could do a review for us too.
Here we are.
All right, let's get it. Let's
glorious thing.
get a
right
review
here.
of this ice cream
You were
sandwich.
never gonna get anything like this anywhere else.
This is true.
So.
Aren't they so good? Mm-hmm. Aren't they so good? Grand Floridian Cafe. Our table is ready. Who's ready to eat? Very nice atmosphere in here. Take a look at the menu. We got the appetizers, the entrees, and some non-alcoholic specialties. Got a dirty menu. I heard the buttermilk fried chicken is quite delicious, as well as the salmon. I think I'm gonna go with the shrimp and grits. It sounds very delicious. There is the dinner rolls. These look so phenomenal. Wow. They're like light and fluffy and crispy. Oh, wow. There's the shrimp and grits. 5 jumbo shrimp atop a bed of creamy grits. This looks absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to dig into this. All right, we got a nice scoop of grits and the shrimp. Gonna take a nice massive bite of this because who cares? Wow, that was really delicious. I would say my only complaint is I wish that the sauce was on the side because the grits were swimming in a puddle of this sauce, and the sauce is really good, don't get me wrong, but it messed with the consistency of the grits and it made it not as good as I think this could have been if it was just grits, sauce, shrimp all separate and you could mix them together as you wish. Maybe it would have been a little better. But besides that, maybe cook the onions a little more. That's being really picky though. The grits were creamy and delicious. The shrimp was very well cooked. Overall, I'd say about a good 8.5 out of 10. It was really, really good. Now Jacob got to try lobster for the first time. What'd you think of that?
I mean, it's alright. Like, overrated as heck.
Yeah. Well, you win some, you lose some, but I got to eat his lobster, so I can't complain.
The lobster was delicious. Thank you, Jacob, for the lobster.
Over here, they have a chocolate owl sculpture. This looks awesome. Got the eggs, everything is chocolate. The stump, all of it. Wow. Dinner was delicious. We are now heading to the Polynesian Village Resort to get a Dole Whip. This is a great view of Tron, Light Cycle Power Run, and Space Mountain. You got a boat going by. Can't wait for that ride to open. Next year, I will probably go to Magic Kingdom. This year, we're not doing it just because, you know, Tron's not open yet, and I've been to Magic Kingdom a lot of times, so I don't really need to go there. Also, it's like the same thing as Disneyland, and I'm gonna go to Disneyland in like a month. So, you know, kind of flexing, kind of just justifying the reason why I'm not going there this week. Why is my hair like this? We have made it to Disney's Polynesian Village Resort, which is my favorite place in the world, in the entire world. Like, not any Disney park, not any country specifically, just this resort. So, I'm just taking in the view. Got my favorite restaurant over there. I wouldn't say Kona's anywhere near my favorite restaurant, but it's still a pretty solid restaurant, I'm not gonna lie. Got all my favorite gift shops. Got the monorail. It's like euphoric. I don't even know how to explain it. It's like this happiness feeling that is so, like, I have chills. It is warm in here and I have chills, just consistent chills. The way this place smells, the way the music is, the way the architecture and the scenery is, every small minute detail and aspect about this place is just flawless. We are now leaving the Polynesian Village Resort. We are heading over to the Contemporary. All aboard Monorail Lime. Contemporary, here we come. Disney's Contemporary Resort. Again, another one of my favorites. They're all just, they're all great. They're all great, but I mean, Polynesian's my favorite. This place is really great as well. So, you just got something, didn't you?
I got breakfast.
Where'd you get this from?
Quick serve.
Oh, didn't really spend a whole lot of time here this time, but you always gotta stop. You always gotta stop at all three resorts, which is what we did today.
No deep down that's like kind of weird about it, but they just do it.
Well, that's gonna do it here from the Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. Had a great time, getting some eats and treats. Did get a souvenir today, unfortunately, but I mean, we're gonna have plenty of opportunity to do so the rest of this trip. Had a really great time. Thanks for watching.